Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou.
We're in Guangzhou. This is Zhuji road, Lu. But basically we can see all these kind of cool stuff. Xiamen historical area is right over there, Xiamen Island. That's where all the Europeans settled when they were trading with China. This is a lot of the history with European and China. But this particular street is removed from it, and it's called Zhuji Road. And we're going to put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. So stay tuned for that. Guangzhou. Okay, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're going to be, let's just get you there as if you're there yourself. Come and join me. You know where we're at on the map. Follow me in the camera. Guangzhou, China. Okay, so we're going to try to meander into this little space. Hello. So we're going to try to meander into this little space. So we have all these different food items here. I think he was probably going to help me out. Got walnuts, or he's going to make a sale probably. Mushrooms. So all kinds of different interesting stuff. And we're just kind of checking out the street. Actually, there's some interesting architecture here too. So we'll try to, it's like such an old, feels like such an old style. Let's just walk out into the street for a moment. There's also these this building that this is in right here. Looks pretty cool too. That's the riverfront all the way down that way. Past a lot of people, they litter. Xiamen Island. Actually, there's a lot of nice smells in here. We're gonna walk down in this area briefly. Yeah, you can see more all the way down this alley. So that alley looks like it'd be pretty cool to explore too. But I want to stay focused on our street. Neat. Okay. Looks like we got a 7-Eleven right here too. See what kind of foods you can get. Noodles, sandwiches. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down. I wish I could be the kind of person to tell you what a lot of these things are, but I don't really know. Pretty cool. They have a lot of different value. It smells really good. It's really fragrant. There's more down that way, of course. We've got some old scale types here, so you can put it on the scale. Okay, we're going to be entering into the street. Yeah, it's interesting like what the future is going to be. Sometimes I feel like I'm documenting everything, but then on the other hand, all this stuff will probably go into AI and then they'll reconstruct stuff of visuals of what this time period looked like. And I'll definitely be a contributor to what it looks like in 2025. Here's the cross street right here. Yeah, and actually the other thing I try to do too is I'll try to film, you know, as if you're there yourself and just kind of individual streets. So the stuff that like a tourist might not even go through here, or if they did, they might only spend, you know, just a short moment. Look at all these balconies up here. Okay, there's balconies on both sides. Restaurants too. But so both sides have these little balconies like that. Okay, so we're gonna meander into here more. The one thing I really like a lot about pretty much throughout Guangzhou is all these trees. So these trees offer a lot of shade, and that feels great, just having like that shade that's there. Okay, so to make this more interesting, I'm gonna walk out into the street a little bit. This is a one-way street, so I can walk into the middle until the car comes. Side streets. Yeah, pretty cool. Nice and comforting. It's like a nice breeze right in here. Got tree-lined streets, balconies. The balconies are kind of interesting because you just kind of like that is one block there, and then there's another one that goes all the way down, right? So all of those buildings are all separate and individual. They all have one of the same guardrail. Okay, now we got a little traffic jam, so let's meander in a little bit. Here's a little hair salon place. Okay. There's a parking space for old motorbikes. Or the repair shop. Maybe a repair shop. Okay. Let me just through here. Hello. So, okay, let me see if we can get across here. We have a red light, so technically no. It's a nice view right there. Here's one of these old China Post mailboxes. They're going to be so archaic already. Shortly. I don't know. I wonder when the mail will stop being delivered. I can't really run across, so we'll have to stay here. Okay. So continue on. And I guess we'll just kind of meander down around the corner a little bit. It's like a bakery there. Different shops. Pretty cool. different little alleys in here too, right? So we'll probably come to an end pretty quickly, actually. But we're just giving you a little taste, another small taste of Guangzhou, what it looks like. As if you're there, as if you were here yourself. Lots of repair stuff. Cigarettes. Okay. So we're going to be coming up to an end pretty quickly. So I think we're going to be coming into any historical blocks. Which will be a whole other feeling, like a nice upscale feeling. And I can see a little bit already from here, those yellow buildings straight ahead. Kind of a cool building. Some restaurant over there. She said something, it sounded like it was in Korean. It sounded like she said something in Seyo. Seyo. She might have, I don't know. Maybe that was a Korean person on the bike, on the back of that bike that went by. The lights are on already? It's like, isn't that late yet, is it? Okay, so we're going to be coming up into this really cool neighborhood where Jackie Chan's ancestral home is at. Let me just kind of come over here. So we're still on our Zhuji street right there. And now we're at this whole other area. Oh yeah, it's perfect. It's a pedestrian street. Something else I want to walk down and film later anyways. And then this down here is goes down to like Jackie Chan's ancestral home. Just down that way as well. So we're so anyways, our street was that one. And we're gonna end it. I guess we're gonna end it. Let's just take a look real quick. We'll end it there.
Something to see, just look around.